And so if we play these both together during the break, this is what it sounds like. Okay, so that's the break, and I'm not going to play the whole I'm not going to play the whole track. But let's go back to the intro here. So that's the pad that I was working on, and so I took that pad and I made a different version of that pad, and I play a different version of that pad over here, and that's right here, and that's closer to the intro, and that's what this pad sounds like. It's very simple. And that plays that side chain when it's playing. And so I also have this FM sound that plays, and I laid it out and chopped it up, so the FM, it's kind of like an acid FM sound, and it plays along with the pad as the pad comes in. And I'll play this briefly.